third type of document splitting is passive splitting. Okay, see, when in same active splitting functionality I'm explaining here, you see, in both the, suppose we are purchasing one from Jugnut trading company, two services are being taken, or are being purchased: transportation service and advertisement service. And business user has given, as per the requirement, different profit centers in the debit line items. Okay, now when this invoice is posted, so it will be, what will happen in general ledger view, active splitting will work. Okay, same which I have
Right.
explained earlier. So till now active splitting will work at a time of invoice posting. Okay, see, different profit centers were given when the business user posted in debit line items. So it will be copied to, means our this Jugna trading will be split in two parts, depending on the basis of profit centers, 1000 and 1100. Okay, now when see, this invoice has to be posted, means the vendor should be given, the vendor will be given, will be paid, right? So how much he will be paid? He will be paid 1 lakh only, right? Correct?
Correct.
He will be paid not 1 lakh, he will be paid in this scenario 8,000. 8,000 he will be paid, but from profit center, in profit center 1,000 he should be paid. From this profit center he should be paid 5,000, and from profit center 1100 he should be paid 3,000. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Now at the time of payment posting, business user will not give any profit center. He will simply go and simply give this one, means he will simply give this vendor account, he will select, and he will select the either bank or cash account. He will simply select the vendor account and cash, and select the cash and bank account, from which account he want to make the payment, whether from cash or bank. Once he will, means at the time of payment posting, he will not do anything, he will just select the vendor, and he will just give the this cash or bank account. System will automatically system will automatically take care about these profit centers. Okay, and
Okay.
how system will take care? With the help of passive splitting. Okay, getting my point?
Yeah.
See, means at a time of payment posting, business user will not give any profit center in business area or segment. He will just select the vendor and how much amount he wants to pay, and he will give the clearing account like cash account or bank account. System will automatically, from the active splitting, system will automatically pick the respective profit center and segment, and system will clear according to the profit center and segment. Means pass it is getting triggered with the help of passive splitting.
Okay.
Okay, let's suppose, see, let me post one invoice. You guys, maybe I think you guys are not clear. FB 60, I'm posting one vendor invoice, huh? Okay,
Hmm.
see, this is suppose my
Okay.
vendor vendor invoice document. Total is 8, suppose 1 lakh. Suppose two services, transportation and one, two services I'm taking, 60,000, 40,000. There can be multiple GL account at a single, in a single document also, but I'm right now, but just I'm taking two business areas. Let's suppose this is I am taking this business area, Jharkhand business area I've taken. So now let's suppose this is 1,000 and this is 9,000. It can be any other 2,000, 1,100, and company code is
Hmm.
GI01. Okay, so now,
Okay.
okay, so see, please see, business user, as per the business requirement, he has given in debit line item two different profit center, and he is purchasing from single vendor only. Now business user is posting. Okay, as per the requirement. See, now I'm posting. I've simulated. Now I'm posting. Now I will display you this document. Okay, see 60,000, 40,000. This is entry view. When I will have the general ledger view, the document is splitted. How this splitting happened? Which method of splitting
Active
happening?
splitting.
Active splitting,
On
right?
the basis of active
Active
splitting.
splitting. Okay. Now see this vendor should be paid, right? 1 lakh because services are purchased.
Hmm.
So we are
Hmm.
going to make the payment. Business user is going to make the payment to vendor. Okay. I will show you later this. Just I am explaining you how the passive splitting is working. So see, this is the uh, bank data or
Bank
cash
account.
data. Bank data or cash data. I know the 1 lakh is the amount. We need business user knows the 1 lakh is the amount. Open item we know. Open item means, see, this is the account type. Account type K means vendor. Account type D means customer. This all I will explain. And account type XS means GL. So here we are
Mm-hmm.
going to make the payment to vendor. That's why I am selecting K. Correct?
Okay.
I am selecting
Okay.
K, and this vendor, I have given this vendor account. Okay,
That is vendor code, right?
vendor code. Yes. See, let me do F4. No problem. Suppose if I don't know, if business user does not know, or I don't know the vendor code, so I will do the F4. But account type should be K. If it is customer
Hmm.
related, then it should be D.
Okay.
See, vendors by company code GI01, my company code F4. This one is our vendor. This one, Jugna
Okay.
is our
Trading.
vendor. Yes, Jugna Trading. I will select this. Okay. Now I have, see here profit center option is there. I am not
Hmm.
giving any profit center business area. Simply I am proceeding. Okay.
Okay.
How much is our amount? Our amount is 1 lakh, which we have posted today. And okay.
Yes.
And that document was 27. So here I will activate it. I will explain these all things and let me simulate it. See, I have simulated how? Just I have simulated. See, profit center in the business area have not come. Sorry, business area has come, profit center has not come. See,
Yeah.
now I'm going to post it. I have shown you guys, I have not given any profit center. But system will pick the profit center, indirectly with the help of document active splitting, it will be triggered. And that is called as passive splitting. Now let me display this document. Business user has not given any profit center while posting. When I will click on the general ledger view, see how this
But
profit
there
center.
is option not to give. It's optional to give or not.
No,
While
why we will give? It is already being taken care, right?
yeah.
See, why we will give? That is happening, right?
No, while payment posting.
While payment posting option was there, correct? Option is there. See,
Yeah.
option is
Yeah.
there, but there is no
Hmm.
need to no need to give because document splitting is already taking care of, right?
Okay.
Why we will
Okay.
give? If suppose if because no need to give because document splitting, passive splitting is already taking care. But
Hmm.
option is there. Option is there. You are correct. Option is there, but no need to give because this is passive splitting. Passive splitting is taking care of this profit center. You know, means,
Okay.
means the amount is going to is getting updated to profit center in both the debit and credit line items. See,
Okay.
so this is passive splitting. Means passive splitting works at a time of payment posting or at a time of GL clearing. This is the payment posting I have shown. If you guys are doing any GL clearing also, like that time also this same way it will work. GL clearing means there should
Okay.
be one open item and that should be cleared. Means right now just you guys understand, like you guys understood, right? Passive splitting how it worked.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we need to do configuration. We need to do this 6 configuration. Document
Once
splitting.
go up, no, our passive
Huh?
splitting definition is there. Once
Yes.
we'll see.
Yeah. At a time of payment posting, payment
No passive.
huh? Passive. Sorry,
Passive
sorry,
splitting.
sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, 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 sorry. Passive splitting. See,
Hmm.
when in two debit lines different profit center are given, or and in credit line it is kept blank, then it works at a time of payment or clearing and vice versa. Suppose same thing, like in the debit line if you are giving different profit centers, in the credit line we are keeping it blank. Okay, or so
Okay.
let's say we have one debit only and two credits, same vice versa, it will be done. So
Oh,
first here active splitting will work. First it will active splitting will work, but at the time of clearing or at the time of payment, passive splitting will come into the picture automatically.
okay.
Okay.
Okay.